Hello students, in Geography chapter 3, Minerals and Power Resources, in this part 2, I will teach you about extraction of minerals and distribution of minerals in the world and in India. Extraction of minerals. There are three different ways of extracting minerals. They are mining, drilling, quarrying. Again, mining is classified into two: open cast mining and shaft mining. Mining is the process of digging under the ground in order to extract the minerals from the earth. Some minerals may lie at shallow depth, while others may lie at great depths under Earth's surface. Minerals which are found not very deep inside the surface can be extracted by a process called open cast mining. The process involves removing the surface layer of the earth and the minerals. Often, the minerals deposit is covered by soil, which is stripped off by large machines, and then the ore deposit is broken up by explosives. On the other hand, when the mineral lie at a great depth, a process called shaft mining is carried out. Shaft mining is a kind of underground mining. The other kinds of underground mining are drift mining, hard rock mining, etc. You must have seen in movies in which they show dark tunnels with elevators. Those dark tunnels are deep bores, are also known as shaft mines, are created to reach as much the depth as possible. Bushveld in South Africa is famous for platinum deposits. They were originally mined by open cast methods. Later, it became necessary to use underground mining methods. Similarly, a big hole at Kimberley is an example of a mine that was originally worked by open cast methods, then later by underground shaft methods. Fossil fuels like petroleum and natural gas are found very deep inside the Earth's surface and even in the beds of oceans. To extract these minerals, a process called drilling is carried out. For this, deep wells are bored into the surface using heavy drilling machines. Quarrying. Quarrying involves excavating land, removing rock and other material from above ground. These minerals are simply dug out. Blocks of material are taken whole from the pit like stone, marble, granite, etc. Care is taken not to destroy the blocks when they are cut, since it would lower or even totally destroy their value to builders and sculptors. Most of the quarry rocks are used for construction of buildings and for sculpting purposes. Now, let us see the distribution of minerals in the world. China and India are both known for their large iron reserves. Asia produces more than half of the world's tin. In fact, China, Malaysia, and Indonesia are among the world's leading tin producers. China is also leading producer of minerals like lead, antimony, and tungsten. At least 2/3 of the world's known crude oil and natural gas reserves are found in Asia. This continent also has enormous reserves of bauxite. Besides this, deposits of manganese, nickel, zinc, and copper are also found here. The variety of mineral resources have been a key to Europe's successful economic development. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. Several European countries like Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, and France have large deposits of iron ore. Beside this, minerals like copper, lead, zinc, manganese, and nickel are found in Eastern Europe and European Russia. North America, the third largest continent of the world, has mineral deposits which are located in three zones: the Canadian region, the Appalachian region, and the mountain ranges of the west. The Canadian region is famous for iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium, and copper reserves. The Appalachian region has deposits of coal. Western corridors have vast deposits of copper, lead, zinc, gold, and silver. South America contains about one-fifth of the world's iron ore reserves. The most important beds are located in Brazil and Venezuela. Brazil is the largest producer of high-grade iron ore in the world. Nearly all of copper is found in Chile and Peru, which makes them the leading producers of this mineral. South America is also rich in minerals like gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, platinum, and diamonds. Mineral oil is found in Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru, and Colombia. Africa has the world's richest concentration of minerals. It is the world's largest producer of diamonds, gold, and platinum. Africa contains 40% of the world's diamond reserves. Oil reserves are found in Nigeria, Libya, and Angola. South Africa holds the world's largest natural reserves of gold, platinum, group metals, chrome ore, and manganese. Australia is known not only for its natural beauty but for its mineral wealth as well. This country has the largest reserves of bauxite in the world. It has huge reserves of coal too. It is rich in manganese, copper, lead, zinc, and gold. Many scientists believe that Antarctica is a place of unlimited resources. Unfortunately, the harsh climate, short work season, and thick ice make the extraction of these resources very difficult. Geologists believe that rock layers such as those in Antarctica commonly contains large amount of cobalt, chromium, nickel, copper, iron, gold, silver, and platinum. Now we will study about distribution of minerals in India. Iron is found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Gold is found in Kolar in Karnataka. Copper is found in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Mica is found in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Limestone is found in Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu. Iron ore in India has the largest deposit in Asia. Types of iron ores are magnetite, hematite. Aluminum is found in Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand. It is used in automobile, aircraft, and furniture, etc. Mica is used in electrical and in electronic industries. India is the largest exporter of mica. Copper is used in electrical industries for making wires, motors, transformers, generators. It is also used to make coins. It is mixed with gold to give strength. Manganese is used in smelting of iron, manufacturing. Ferrous alloys add strength to the steel. Limestone is a raw material for cement industry. Gold is used for making jewelry, but mining of gold is very expensive. Common salt is used as preservative in food industry. It is obtained from seas, lakes, rocks. India is a leading producer and exporter of salt. Silicon is used in computer industries. Thank you students for watching the video.